So I'm going to teach you some ways to create passive income. These aren't the only ones. I usually do like 4-day trainings. So I'm going to do as much as I can in the time I've got. And then I'm going to take as many questions as I can. But I'm here all week. And after the week's up, if I didn't answer your question, you can reach out to me. I love this stuff. I get people all the time saying, Mike, I don't want to disturb you, but this is my passion. This is my life's work. This is what I live for. So don't be afraid to ask questions. Anyway, one of the things that has really helped me a lot is putting teams and systems in my businesses. I've owned a lot of different businesses. I always have people come up to me and go, well, Mike, your businesses work with teams and systems, but mine don't. The problem is they do work. It's just as entrepreneurs, we're all control freaks, and we don't like to give up that control, number one. Number two, we don't think anybody can do what we do as well as we can. And so a lot of times we stay solopreneurs way longer than we should, and quite often we don't switch gears and start bringing people on our team until it's like really too late. And so I built my first team by mistake. I actually, as a Canadian, for the first part of my career, only invested close to home. Then a buddy of mine moved to Las Vegas, and I started to go visit him. And unlike a lot of people who go to Vegas a lot, I don't really have the usual addictions. I'm not a gambler. I have been known to drink on occasion, especially with you guys, but that's not my normal day to day. So certainly I didn't go to Vegas for that. But my biggest addiction back in those days was I could not drive past an open house sign and not go look at the property. And luckily I got over that. But back in the day, I couldn't help myself. And I'd always want to go meet the realtor and say, hey, why are they selling? What's going on in the market? And I noticed at that time that the prices kept going up and up and up. And back in those days, a lot of people were moving from California. They're moving to Nevada to lower their cost of living. They're doing that again, by the way. And they were driving up the market. And I thought, this is too good to be true. It's like where I'm living in Canada, prices are just staying still. And here, every time I come here, like every week, the prices are going up. And I thought, I've got to get in on this. I didn't really know what I was doing, but I knew I had to get in on it. Hey, Mike Wolf here. Today I'm in a place called Bansko, which is in Bulgaria, Eastern Europe. And this is my first time here. I've been traveling around Europe for a couple of months now. And this is, I think, my 7th country so far, and many more to come. But it's all possible because of the passive income I've created through real estate. So if you want to learn how to do this too, make sure you click the link below. We'll have a conversation to see if my Wolf Pack, which is my mentorship program, is right for you.